Oh my God, I did not write topical. Eh? Hello, my people. Eh? Good evening. Hi, Sandra. Hello. Eh? You are first. Oh yeah, you are five. You are number 5. Hey, that's my meaning. Eh? Emily. Good evening, Mama Dana. I thought I was supposed to be. From here, 5 people don't come here before you. 4 people come here before you. That's why they do something. You just say that you be first from here. Say. People where always they do for they'll just write hello quick. You will write plenty people don't write this. Hey, baby, we all say, I'm not baby. I say, okay, and I'm who say, Nitana. Me no regbeko. Sorry. Nalawe. Si lo gakwana. Yes, a lovely. You work in Utrecht. Oh, Alex Woods, Ibe Monica. Siama. Si lo gakwana. Where are you? Yeah, I see. Thank you so much, Monica lovers. Now let me and the true lovers with this one. I say, but now me I say, not bad ya. But now me I say, hello, if you want. I say, but now me I say. Now next time just write your pull up.
I have so many projects at hand. Even my estate in Traveler that carry more than 60 buildings. The project is still going. Our boy, the road they are going to make like
okay.
Too many vacations. What they get in the last? What up there, what?
At least. Come here, say it.
Oh,
I'll be here. Party friend, good friend. Yes, your name. Frank, give me a love. Eh? I'm not saying I'm just saying no, bye. Snap you, Johnny. Oh, thank you. I'm just saying no, go how many people want that yet? Eh? Everybody dash me the air, dash me the air. Now not let me say fit me, oh. Fire. Oh, thank you, my love. Yay, that's our father general in the building. Maximum respect, sir. This is your fine dress. Oh, I don't favorite. I don't favorite the fine dress, so. Until that again, shop. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Thank you. Let's do this when we're short here. Hey, Ase vunamie o ase. Ase vunamie o ase. Wow. Nice. Thank you so much, my lovely people. Mo we start time. Don't go. Mo not use all the time. Take play music. Nice dress, right? Thank you so much. Thank you, my lovely people. I love you all so much. Okay, so our topic tonight. I never even write the topic. Anyway, now fast. I'll write them later. Now about one of our sister, she said, "Call me confused.com," because her matter is so confusing. Okay, but this is it, guys. Please help her. Oh, hello, Nancy. How are you? How are you doing? Love. Okay. So, my people, before I go, somebody needs woman. I know they do hook up, but this one na my person will be say go another place where they do topic or we do hook up or we lie. And they hook up or stressy make go a lot, but this one not be hook up. Now just if you know, say you be better woman. This one a wife in the look for not be a contest. Now no say people where they hook up, there's a bit tests. Women where they really like a test. Yeah, me know why we give a gualo. If you know, say you date between the age of to marry. At least make you know above 35. Me, I know they support husband, wife, senior your husband. No, I know they support them because for black, not too much good like that. So, if you know, say you date any age where you date, you don't ready to marry to man where get handwork, where they work, where get paper, where they suffer doing the life they go, jejely. Okay, then. You feel contact me and send a number to you or bring your picture me and send to her. For him, cha or win ye lele so far may you know say you good. You say whether you fine or you ugly, you know to get any problem. May you know say you want marry and you get good character. I bet if you know say you don't get good character, no come. You hear? If you know say you want marry, you get good character, you be young girl, whether you be single mother or you not be single mother, no problem. But no, you not be gaga. You know say they see rada people too much for this abroad. Gaga. Okay? So if you contact me later, at least date 34 years between age when you take the married to at least 34 years is okay. Okay? Whether you be single mom, you find you not find, it's not a problem. The man is hardworking and he work, he gets his salary, he gets his house. He just needs somebody serious. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So, my people, this our sister, she called me. She said she don't fair call me one time like that. She still talk that matter. Mama be tired for a majo wa majo de. I tire. Because no head, no tail. But recently, I don't know, within this week, it can't really open up for a matter how the thing really they go for her. If they one country right now, that country where in they, he not get paper for the person, the woman get paper for Spain. Okay, because I need to stock some country where the Mona Forteno. He get paper for Spain. He born for Spain. Children get Spain passports because it be like say Spain passport is not by papa and mama giving or whatever. Okay, so his children get a passport for Spain, but she not get a passport. She gets Spain paper. She say she don't apply for Spain passports, and Spain passport they take time before it come. Okay. Then she can't fair go. She said she can't fair go Germany with her children. Go made for there. When she can't go shop at Duro for there. She said she can't shop at Duro. She can't hide everything. So after some times when they see her story, say you know to work, made them for fear, but they can't ask her say you know your children get passport, you don't get where you for born your children, this and that. She can't bring her children passport, come and say that they come from Spain, they get paper. So Jim they can't tell and say, okay, no problem. You will stay here, but you go they work 8 hours before we'll support you for 1 year long or something like that. So she said because she gets more pikin before she go there, she knows you help and pikin and the thing not to work out for her. Then she can't there will spend 4 years yet. Jim they no help her. She just struggle. Your husband go they send her some money. Struggle. You know work out. Then she can move back to country where your husband dey. Okay, country where your husband come dey, your husband get passport for there. That's why I said this case is a very confused state. Mona list where. Your husband get passport for that country where she can go. Where your husband can call and back say, come to me. He can't go meet your husband. But he with your husband, they not marry. Una know how things be. And the children get Spain passports. She apply for Spain passport. If she made for the country where your husband they say Spain passport for that side, it go cut. You'll be like say don't finish in a year they wish. Yes, I believe it's truth. Yes, it's truth. Okay. So she go there here, but she no need to mend for another country. So that as Spain passport for that side go they can't. Then her children for the country where they with the husband, they know they pay the children. They know they pay the woman. Only the husband they work. And the woman, she need money, nothing. He said the man not be 100%. That's the way one afford everything like that. Then she can't hook up for this place now. She no fit work. She no fit make that paper. Her children, nobody they give them anything at all. The country where she did, they can't tell and say, make she go bring this thing, make it come make the children for a year. So that they will know, say, Spain, not they take care of the children again, and here the children can't dey. She can't tell country where she dey, say, now this country, my children can't dey. See them that they go school. The country say no. You must bring paper of, say, somebody now they take care of you, they stay here with your children. She say no. Because she don't go fit put her address for here. Okay, so now they say, go bring adoption paper come, like say the children they stay with their papa, say you give them permission to stay with their papa. You understand? So the woman can say she no do. Let me can say it's very easy to pay your children if you do that. And then she said no, she no want do. Now I say why? She say social media these days, all the story where person they hear, if they fear amo, he no fit give permission to your husband may take collect children. Assuming they come quarrel tomorrow, now your husband will come say, children, I get right for children. Or yeah, come out. Or country where they come tell and say, come leave our country. And children, he don't already give the right to stay. How you want to do well? You know, feel leave the children for man. Now say not be their papa. You know, he said not their papa. He say like no fit do one. Now say if you not do one, so you go continue because you not go fit go bring your address come from Spain. May you can't do one here. May you made here. May your paper come talk to the country where you dey. He said no because he don't already apply for passport for that side. He go keep patient. Say he don't want this country where he can't their law. Then again, good evening, my mommy Susie, aka our Facebook godmother 2020 to 2021. Hey. We hate you, mama. So, and again, she want to relocate to UK. The thing go surprise me. Okay, so when she come ask that one, say, go bring Nenemi, What you they call her sugarant. Sugavet. I don't know. Okay. Go bring permission. Say now your husband come there with the children. Make that the win area power no your husband no go give her. Now it comes okay as that one no work. Mama, I want go UK. I want to go. Now say what you get? He say na ordinary, get passport, but his children get passport, and he say one of his friends don't use that one to enter there. Then, if you can still enter there, how you want do your Spain passport when you can still enter there? He say if he just reach UK, if he spoil everything, no problem. For UK, if he leave, hey, UK is in trouble. UK say wala. Oh God, which day UK can't spoil our people like this? Where be say, everybody majegi see mao. He say if he reach UK today, he go leave Spain paper, leave husband. If he leave everything safe. If he go just fi enter UK, mama we get go. Even if I no get paper, so family enter UK, me wala. Now I tell her say, okay, the people when you ask, they not gonna tell you how you want to enter the UK. They don't tell them how you want to enter. They don't tell them now this one can be problem. So, but if he enter there, everything. He go leave everything. He no care. He no care to shop at Duro. So far me enter there. Say if you enter UK like that, you no can get paper. You cannot be play where you figure their paper. He logo die. You figure the 100 years. Oh, we your mark concern here. Oh, when majo. Oh, why majo wa? Somebody in like UK. On your express in here. Now say no, my lady. Go bring sugarant. Go bring this thing for your husband. Make it make the government say now your husband the children made with. Make that for they pay your children. Then you go still the game on. He say lie. He no go do one. My people, please, what is your advice to this lady? And since when she spent 4 years, I be 6 years in Germany. Go there. Or maybe make another baby come back to another country and meet her away. And the country where you say go meet your husband now, the 3rd year now they go now. And she's so tired. She just tired. She did ask, can I follow bus to UK? Mama, security day road. Name day road. Abi if you enter bus, everything where just the airport, 9 day roadside. I don't follow roads. Yes, everything where the airport, 9 day roadside. The only difference be say for bus you fit carry your SS yagba. You no go pay put. You understand? And you go sit down, and money go cheap. Finish oh. The security where they that's an 8 day year oh. Yes, especially France border so. UK border, you coming out, it not to consign them. You see France. Now France get border where you want to enter UK. Their head for them be like contract work. Not good though, their head not good. They look they feel control and don't go, they'll still stop on a motor again. You understand? So, my lady, what tell you say control not there for ground? Control there for ground though. People where they pass on their paper, they take the pass. Maybe they can't carry bad market. I don't know. But control there for ground though. As you go, if you get na passport you carry, you go enter machine. Now so it just still there for ground though. The ground just still be like airport crossing. Yes, so just they no big like airports. Oh. But every machine where they upon I did there oh. What do you be think? If she come to UK with her citizen, she need to come with visa. Because of minor, she have to work for 5 years before she will be entitled to anything. She entitled or no entitled, we no name them kaka. how he go take enter there solve his situation? You know, yeah, he say if he even enter there, he no care for Spain passport. Make Spain carry passport dey go. Hello.
Hello, good evening, my one and only Hideki.
Good evening, our Facebook Godmother 2020 to 2021. Who are dear Godmother Ima o Mama?
Good evening, my lovely people.
They hear you.
I want to just give this our sister. Which country that our sister? Then I Germany she did so.
She don't come up for Germany, still go another country where her husband dey.
Okay, but she there with her children, with her husband, Abi?
Right now, yes.
Okay, my lady, if you want fine, you don't go give your husband a right. You just follow and go government house where they made. As a mother, they need your signature. Now sign, now you will sign. And you don't get anything, it don't go affect your children. If they pay any money for Spain, it not go affect them. And you also, even though you dey wait for your passport, you not get anything we want to your passport. No. You not go affect your paper for Spain. You not get anything we want to with Spain, this thing at all. Now just to go to government house, if your husband get passport, he sign or you sign. If you want, then you get, if your husband don't dey work already for there, then your husband will give you that country paper, or your children even will give you that country paper safe. You understand? So you know, if you not make them, they're not going to pay that children. Never. Even though you come on go UK, they're not going to pay them. But let's tell you, by officially now, your children not they live officially for that country. No. They just carry that talent for her there.
Oh, why have you 6 years? Oh, yeah, why have you Spain,
so what you have to do, you don't need to, as far as you did with your husband for there, you don't need to give your husband a right. Only if you not there, that they need right from you. Instead that they call her question wadia, that they call her, which is that is right, say you will give her. There, but that right now, notario, if supposed you're not there with your man, you go notario, go right hand. Then you can register them for court. Then you can go give your husband. See, your children complete 18 years. Any country where they go, your husband will be translator. They go because they will need that. But since you don't deal with your husband for there, you don't need any rights to give them again. Now just to follow them, go to government house. Your husband will sign. You go still sign. Even the children say, if your husband never get passport, they will give them that country paper. You understand? Maybe 1 year they say they give, I don't know, they say give una go do for work. Una go work. If you not don't work, whether na 5 years that they give or 3 years, I don't know. Now different country with different law. But madam, if you not find your children not they live for that country officially, never. You use until they punish those children. So just fine. Make them forgive your children. The money where they give children, they give them. Because if you don't know now, not just take and say because they get European passport, say any country where they take, if you not met that passport, you better say that they carry and they go. If you met they say, they not go collect the passport. My own son, my Spanish passport, now I get. Not be my Oyibo give my son document, no. A Spanish passport now I get. He made. But because his papa not follow me, they Belgium. So they request for his papa rights. If papa give me 100% right, he give me.
Mama, na that right, Mama, na there she forget problem. So she not say the country where she dey say she dey with the children and the man. So they can't say make she go bring that right. Make the man go bring right come from the woman. The mother. And the mother say any right, he no go give right to your husband because he no one because
give
of
madam, even though you give her that right, the only thing where there's not something like the children, now your papa, now their papa. If you not say you not go give her now 2 options that they talk, they will say if you go feel come, then you come fight for government house. Problem not there, you not need that right. Now if it's any country where they go, you go, they follow your man, they go, they fight, they follow and they go. But if you not say you not go feel come the country where your children stay, Now you go give her that right. The father of my children not compassion. He give me the right. He not get anything. My son still get address for Spain. He sit there with the papa. The small money where they give children, all those equal the cargo for students, they still they give my picking till today. He not get anything. Wait, he not affect him. They just give him this e-card, which is a resident in Belgium. That they give him. They know saying as a Spanish citizen. Then the red passport and the resident of Spain. That's ID card. I just keep up for his cupboard. You know, they use that one again. And the one where they go give them for that country. Now that one I go come the valid. Now they go the carry they go. So their ID card with their red this thing, the passport, you go keep on. You understand me? So just go to one where you know they suffer those children. You know it will affect you at all. Me as me day years so, me as the state for Belgium. I get Belgium paper. I get Spanish paper. My address still there is Spain. My address is Belgium. Like the same name now is there. They no send a Spain now for my picking. It no affect me in any way. 2 documents where they carry the work and the same name Nigeria.
Okay, Mama. Mama, wait. I see there another country. So let's say, for example, in the Belgium. He can go men say in the Belgium. It not go affect the passport where he put for Spain. Now there
No,
info.
no. When any matter them we are you not concerned the airport. They don't put there after your waiting that they call affairs.
Are you sure?
Waiting they need from you. If you say you don't want to give the papa right, if you give the papa right, the papa get the right, we will take claim that one 100%. But as a mother, I will advise you because they say trust nobody. Follow your husband, go government house, go sign. Any country where they go, just go there, go sign. Since you get Spanish resident, it not go affect you. Your Spanish passport resident, they not even get the problem. We know the money at all. You understand?
Okay.
So
Let me say a problem
you
don't
know,
they solve.
so that you know they suffer these children again. Believe me, when I mean they tell you, it not go affect you. No, it not go affect you.
Okay.
You know you don't get anything we want to with her at all. No. You understand?
Okay.
Because me, I know anything at my identity, I know how that for better, bring anything come out. You understand? Even before they give me Belgium paper, they don't say I get Spanish paper. They know. I know how that they don't collect anything from me. My apartment, you know address of Spain, you see they exist. You understand? The other of my level, you see they work again. I don't never fear you talk, even I understand. It don't affect you now. They don't affect you ever. Just sign so that they give this small children. Because they say, not they pay like another country. They not they will ask. But if for example, if this man wants, I tell you, if your man wants use another sense for you, they tell the man say the picking must stay officially for that country. Your husband will fit one and it force, Now they call custody. The country where they will give up to your husband by force. They don't care about your permission you give. They can do it. That is order from God. Since the children, now you claim say you not did that country with your man, with your children. Now you they claim so you not did that country. But if they want to another way, because this the children they go school for that country now, they know they leave that country officially. So if they want to another way, if you don't give your husband custody or make you confine, court go do one by themselves, they go give your husband custody. They'll fit one without your husband not go Spain. Now that country where now this one now just do one automatic. But they said to my father of my children say, if you don't give me that right, courts will take their own way. Do one, they will give me the custody by themselves. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Mama.
Okay, you go Kafashan. They need your this thing. As far as concerned, I told you for an ipona.
Thank you.
I'm not scared. Now me they tell you, believe me.
Thank you so much.
People say that 2 paper, they'll say, how it will be 2 paper. Yes, it's possible because I'm different with my first document. I not see a true marriage. You understand? So, mother, just go to one that they pay for that children. I make your children they officially. As it be so, your children they in that country illegal. Now they pay. They forget that they carry pallet they go. Now illegal. Now they pay in that country. You understand? Now when you get him, they can't receive a medical this thing. Hospital.
Problem c'est you true has daughter. As far as Eriame, as far as Eriame be, Ian said you bet ego ni.
Okay,
eri ya be oni anje a passport.
Okay, when you finish using now, he has a second and you man ya we na la ni again na. He have come say when he has to boy we dey that.
Enye what except when you night on the whistle jan ya wa be on here we bon we gbatato we you le ri ohun ya we Jimmy na we le me on you say obiere we confused you call power mu yo re osoto well say J. Thank you so much. That advice is from our Facebook godmother. So my lady, she did very good position to advise you, say it not go affect you. You see that one where you say your friend tell you where they fear you say if you come mend for year, it go affect your passport where you be don't put in for Spain. I'm not sure say it go affect her. I'm not sure, but person where fed do and I talk so now say it no go affect her. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. You have to document how.
Hello.
Hello, Mama, I hear you.
Okay, good evening, madam.
Good evening.
About a comment a lady no one for me. It's who down me on my more no now we do. It's a stable and a stable for 22 years now.
Okay.
There is still honorary no one on my winner. Honorary apartment to you is okay. Or it's in a passport. I'm just referring to any passport of it.
Okay.
They say for 10 years, woman that he's been for 2 years. Woman rights to passport for her to know.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, yin menuta. Okay, voya pa ye espere because yin na pa na betre mi oga yeri diviva.
Mi oga de no yari dire. O ye be ya mwina.
Oni okpa imaja ye go ye be ya mwina.
You can wait a binary. O ye be mwina.
Oh.
It don't worry. It means you are using your documents to work. Because there's no way you appear here in Spain that you are still living here. For 10 years, why is it that you've been for 2 years? You have rights for passport. Who got by his stay for 4 years or 6 years, you are totally changed. Who may right for passport? Only that passport aspect is one kind. Only the new law no law now. Only a monoro. As far as what is NAP, NAP, then you know, all your little can back where if they won't say, they don't back of Nigeria, or Nigeria, then the government of Spain, they are forced to give those children nationality Spain.
Even me nationality Spain, even me passport Spain. Okay. Mon ami NGNM or Irian. Okay. Bien, okay.
So the government they are forced to give those children nationality. They need the Canadian nationality.
Okay.
All the total for 10 years of my right to travel to Nigeria anywhere if you want to go for 2 years. As far as we 10 years, 6 years in Latin running. When only the new law no rock the nationality. Only one clear you sorry of nationality of any.
Okay.
Oh my lady.
West AJ. Okay. So my lady, as this lady explain now, say for Spain you must stay there for 10 years long before you go get nationality. And you can't go spend 6 years or before years for Germany. That time when you go spend for Germany, your paper still they read for Spain. Okay, now that time when you come back, you can't go apply. Then they say it go come out 3-4 years, or be 2 to 3 years. It go come out. You trust say you qualify because one thing when me come they think about I won't say everything is too complicated. You put one leg for Spain. You know come here, may you just come marry your husband, may you just know say what fight start all over again. That 2-3 years, if you still use on the 5 for year, now small one go can still remain. Your children don't already get passport. Give the husband rights. Make it get charge over the children. You say like okay, another way where you fit enter UK. You and your husband where you dey with for UK. Hello.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, darling. We dey hear you. UK fever is around, oh. UK fever, oh.
Well, Mama, it's very easy for her if you want to come UK.
Okay.
When she gets children, they go take visa. If she take visa, she'll come here. Without visa, she reach here, they'll give her 5 years document. Then the children will go school, she'll do the work.
My lady, the yes, so you want that one? You want to watch it by base pay or jack, base pay. Oh, come on. Hey, guys, say that name. What me, okay?
Like, I don't know space, how. Like, the country where me from, if I still get residence there, you don't quick me apply for my passport, come off for the country. Nothing they happen. So that made them see that they'll send the letter go when your passport is already. That's just it. If she get resident for this, I'm not sure she'll get problem with passport. Her passport will still come out. But if she wants to go UK, she'll go apply for visa. She'll come. If she come here, she'll go put it for the paper. The two lawyers will give her 5 years document.
Okay, thank you, my darling. My people, make I go. It's not easy as you think. I thank God, say okay. But okay, so my lady, the one where you fed do, either you just take this risk where they tell you so, make you take calm yourselves down, make you go start your aduro life for UK as you planner. Just take the bold step, okay? Or accept your children, make the fair they collect money for the country where they so that everything go fit work for your husband who only you want they work. As your children saying get children, as your husband saying get children, but you know register them for your name. You know they collect so many things. But if he register and just now, they'll really know, say yes, he get children, he go they collect many things. We go feed the carol na the waka they go.
Hello.
Hello, good evening, my lady.
Hello. Yes, you want 1 trillion.
A new TAJ. We dey hear you.
Yeah, I contribute. I want to contribute for this matter about that woman who called before this last one. So we say you must stay 10 for 10 years. No, even though you stay 10 for 20 years. Now the day where you get paper, now your stay will start to dey count because there are law say you go your document go reach 10 years. Because first they'll give you 1 year. If you get document 1 year, then after 1 year you renew, they'll give you 2 years. After that, they'll give you 2 years again, making 5 years. Then you want to renew the second 2 years, they'll come give you full 5 years. Then when after 5 years, when they give you finish, then you come there right to put it for passport. But for that woman, when you say you want to go UK, she don't already put in for passport. I go advise her, make she wait, make she collect passport. You understand? Because for Spain, now to even get passport, it's not easy. You understand? It's not easy. So if you get that opportunity, say you don't put in for the passport, make you wait because before you know they go
She don't ready put in. She don't ready put in. She said she need 2 years to wait.
If she don't put in for the passport, make she wait. Why rush? Make she wait because passport na everything. People now, it should not be before wait. She say the passport dey easy for thing. Wait, she say if you don't, your paper don't complete that 10 years, you just go put in. But now you need to go school, do first exam, second exam. That second exam now, why not easy? You get how you read Spanish today, write Spanish before you will fit do that exam. And people wait, don't they go now, they don't fit get exam. Their money go, no, they will still apply. They me, I don't know person wait, don't do the exam 3 times and they do it, they pay. If they pay now. So you know easy. You don't already put it for that passport, make you wait. Now, not be when you never say wait is funny, wait it come be few years now or 1 year. When she will say wait, make she get waiting she want there before she go wait. Yes, she go. This UK now here for just a switch. You understand? So make she stay, get her own passport.
Thank you, my lady.
My lady.
Thank you. So, my lady, your major problem right now, even the UK, no even, okay, thank you. No, thank you. Even the UK self, no even be your big problem because your husband, where you deal with, he get passport. Your children get passport. You get resident or whatever Spain paper where you they carry the waka. If you fit made your children with your husbands, say na ain't get am, na una gada marry, but una no marry, una gada born, una no marry. You can swear travel anywhere where you want follow and travel go. So wetin can be the big deal of say give your husband children rights? You say no. Not only that one, oh. If you give am children right, many things will not go they benefit. You understand? So now you still know your kind of husband, Sha. Now you know the reason why you don't want to give that right. And at the same time, I advise you just keep patience. As I talked yesterday, keep patient, may you get your passport. But now, Spain people they talk say even if you made for the country where you did, may you forfeited the work, it no go affect your Spain passport where you put in. Now only that ground you still go dig. They share money for there. I pray. Hello. Good evening. Good evening, my lady. Hello, we dey hear you. Good evening.
Good evening, my sister. I'm my children here.
We dey fine.
Yeah, now what's my son? I want to contribute, my lady. Where this Ahmed Okofo affects the woman because this is the issue.
Okay.
My children get passport now, God get now they want not get. If she admits the children for Spanish embassy for any country, now it go affect her for Spain because he affects me. If she not, because if they want renew passport, then she go need to go the renewal for Spain. If she not renew for the country where she dey or husband dey, you not go affect her. But if she say she want renew for where they dey for Jamie or wherever where your husband dey, or number one, you say go and make them for Spanish embassy. As she dey amend her name and her children name they come up for Spain. Because about 3 months ago now, what happened to me? I said renew my passport, my name and my 2 children name, see they exist for Spain. As I call renew the remaining 2 children again, automatically their name just come. When I go renew my document, they cancel it. They say because I will stay with my husband for you. Though me married with him, me and my paper now that marriage. So I know no best. And she made the children for Spanish embassy. It go affect her. That's just the truth. It go affect her. Please don't change.
It go affect her. A passport where she put in for that side.
Yeah, because if she made the children forget the country where they stay, they go know say the children don't stay that country again. And she Germany now or wherever your husband stay. They don't know for Spain say they not there. Because like my children, when I say I met them for Germany, now so Madrid for the May embassy, they send us letter. Say they know say that Germany we can't dey, whenever we can't dey. Even if they do our fiesta now, they only the same letter call they give my first son. If you want come,
Okay.
Yeah. But if you know I made them for Spanish embassy, for where your husband is, you don't go affect them. If you are made them for the Spanish embassy, they go no say they not they pay again. And then they here so she go and made them for normal I'm made of for where we they call made of for Jane, just normal Jane. Then if she are made them for Spanish embassy, you go affect them.
Okay. Now be say Spain don't change because the country where in dey, in not dey Germany. And the country say, okay, the country where in dey, they not agree make do one for that. The country send and say, go Spain, go bring so paper. The paper where they say may bring come, may they say accept the children with their papa for year. Now Spain go bring and come.
Like if my husband go to our house for Spanish.
Okay, because he no marry with your husband.
Me marry, na his husband.
Okay.
Me marry. Because then we never go, my husband want go take appointment. Then without me, they don't go renew one. So they need my signature for Spanish embassy. When we come from Conrad, we can't do everything together for you.
See Lulu. Okay. Thank you, my lady. I don't blame at all.
Okay now.
Well say. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much. We don't help her. I believe she go know what to do. Say if she do it go affect her for Spain. And she no want do my lady, I go just tell you, say keep patient for where you dey. So try to, you say you they suffer for money where what you go do be say, I wish you fit make your children and give that thing to your husband, money for less. Therefore, they pay your children different type of money. Hello.
Good evening, my lady.
Good evening.
Good evening. I'm Bobby.
With day.
This room,
Hello, we dey hear you.
Yeah, now this room I own now want suppose. The way they just need for the country where in dey, so because I stay with for come UK, you understand? Huh? Where he go if the children want renew passport or your husband want renew passport, they go pay, go renew. You understand me? But what did they need? Make the hotel accept them now because of the economy. Maybe they give the something, give the husband something. Now Natalia, now you go do the paper come for Spain. You not go accept them. You understand? They only ask them say whether they receive for Spain before, receive anything, any air that they get for air for stay, how much that they get before. If not zero, they go write say na zero. He go bring the account, they go sign, he go sign with the husband for a year. He no go affect him. If you would not put it for passport for Spain, now the passport won't come out for Spain. Now you they look at online. Now you will see favorable. Now you will see anything where they go write for you. You understand?
Okay.
Me, now Spanish passport I get, as I come here, everything, I take everything where they take. But if when I can't go renew my children passport for London, they can't cancel everything. But if you never renew, you they get anything where you fit get. So if you want to renew, you go renew for the country where you stay. Or if you renew for you, everything go cancel for where you stay for that side. You understand?
Okay.
Hello?
Okay, my lady. She don't hear.
Now, so make you follow your husband do that thing. You not go affect her. Not the passport they want renew. You not go affect the children. Say not go no. Nothing.
Okay.
You understand? But if the children want renew, you go back to Spain.
Okay. Very simple. Thank you so much, my lady. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much, my lovely people. Mo just play music. Make we say end down. Make it for not too much of advice. Make it for 10 less, more. Hello? Oh, it not connect. Why? Incorrect information. Not after Brieze. She need to be very careful. The law have changed. She will be affected. She's not coming to for UK. She said she come to UK, she can start from square one. She doesn't care. That's her own. But how she want to enter, then I be a problem. We should not know. Wish me we advise my lady. Ariyenyene or Keruru. First and foremost, give your husband, because you know they get money here, and your friend where they UK tell you say if na UK you dey I jajo wa or do me be or me winner or no when I worry man now total mami winner. Now that one they do you now because we too like black money. Where it go cost us now? Black money make people landlady for Italy, come chop aduro for Jenny. Oh yeah, no, everybody still they wonder say are they okay? Oh my God, Chineke wantagi. Oh no, go come on internet. You dey understand so? Black money. May God help us. So the way we take like black money. When they black money, yagbima wa be nagi jena salobua. Don't help me where we take black money. Black money make black person landlady go chop aduro. Why they ain't bunny de? So please, you use blank enter now. If she go suffer, she says she not care. She says she not care anything that can take her there, because her friends where they she there where she did now, she get paper, but she not get paper of the place where your husband dey. So she not fit use that paper to work, because now she be we all don't know what to be a problem. Say she put in for that side, and they say this time where law come dey, it go affect her. So she no want break that one. So as she be there, so she supposed to go dey work, but she no see we have to work. To me, even if she go still find another place go. Because yes, my lady, I want to tell you, you were rich Germany. You spend 6 years for Germany. You still use MTN 4 years or 6 years. Take common for Germany. Why say you come where can we? You are 7 and 1 in law. The time when you dey go Germany, should be you say 1 year you don't succeed, 2 years you don't succeed, 3 years you don't, 4 years or 1 year succeed. Do not give up. This UK when you dey go, so when you dey tell yourself, say, I can do anything for it, even if I just did there. If you like, I don't get paper, I don't get problem. Because so I'm go right now. What be 7 in the bank, be where? Just go in a normal way. Because if you still go in a mago way, the book where they will use you do, it go still be like Germany. Egbe ave war way. I'm a bebebo. A book of panau. When you go Germany, not be Germany people, they make and so they do osusu of a single mother. Setting, because when young winner, as they are when we neck bena war, waiting your maid they get for free. They not give you for free. Now say go still be for UK. You call what was the 7 na ijena bi mo like European manare. What sever or your is your own. You know still they go with husband now. Only you and children. UK children not they come back from school by themselves. So you never know that one. So my lady, what be say your pikin now my yebe one your body. Not be say you they go now with 15 years old children. You still they go with minor. Here one couple near the UK. Walking the boy last check up. So I go tell you, my sister. Go bring that paper where they say make you bring come from Spain. Can't use and take men, not men your children. Can't give the your husband power. I don't know as I tell this thing. Power to say the children they stay with you, so that they will feed they pay your children every money. If they pay your children, if they know say your children they with your husband for year, meaning your husband will come be like single father with children. he go get so many cotton. They'll give her this, they'll give her that, they'll give her this, they'll give her that, they'll give her that. But as they take care of 4 of una now, government no know say una dey now one salary they'll still they pay that man. They know they give her anything. You they cheat that man. Maybe now the man salary no raise. Therefore they give subsidy for us. Nah, they not go give her because now only in one. They don't know whether family dey with her. But if family dey with her, they know. They go give that man cutting for us. They will give am cutting for here. They will give am cutting for there. They will pay am this one. The last year, come they pay am. Uma ge jo ave na ya. We no we gwaligo. And then you go u suspend ya. Eh? I'll leave you. You understand? You must work before they give you anything for you. See? So my lady, please. That your friend where they tell you say the UK Japan would there money de be in UK and winner e mata no I mean win a black in winner but so only man can't take wa feet just like that why I live here. Why be active winner we can jena? Just mean your children, then you'll see say even if you not work for where you did, the small things where they give you now you go rich. Your husband has rent. Maybe if they pay 700, they will give her half of the money back. Your husband insurance, they will give her half of the money back. And many other things where they will give. If you sabi waka about, they'll still give you name waka about too. You, they'll come recognize you. Anytime where you take go say, na maybe the mother, but I know they stay here. They'll come still look for what they'll feel give you. You know, yeah. But if you not do children home, who work more for 2 years or 3 years, where Spain go take call you for passport. Now so you just turn your children to no stand. No, please. Okay, more play music. We don't try this evening. Thank you all so much, my lovely people. God richly bless you. I believe say we don't talk to her and she don't understand what to do. Patience, my lady. Patience. Don't be hurry. Me to waiting. She do you now. Why is it you not being wabo? Yeah, yo go. Good day. Oh my God! Somebody don't put. Hello.
Hello, Mama. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. I just join on now.
Okay.
I just want to say something about that woman for Spain. The issue is that if the man, I know we understand this issue. If the man get passport, the children get passport. How they say get a passport? Who must pay for them?
Okay, the children get Spain passport. Children can get it. Then the man gets another country passport.
Okay.
Now so
the children take get the passport.
How the children take get the passport?
Yes.
Na Spain, they say Spain children they fit get passport like that. The woman a single mother for Spain.
Okay.
But the husband will give her belle, not they Spain. The husband come from another place, they give her belle for there. Then the husband still there duro for another place. He can't get passport for that place.
Okay.
But right now,
they get the man name. They get the man name, I be the woman name.
Then they bear the woman name. You know all those single mother wey go say, I don't know who I born for.
Mama, na 2 day. If the woman come UK without she not get documents, the woman will suffer.
If friend say go they work, yeah, he get paper for this country, he no get money. Say make he can't stay where he go get money even if he no get paper.
No, she go suffer. If she come, she go suffer. But the second way round, if she fit manage come, food the children, she fit get documents. She fit give her 5 years or 2.5 years. Now 2 way 9 years, Mama. If she come that, but I must tell your money. So she dey call, she go like, she go money come. So she know money come, she go suffer. Nobody go put you for house. So I would just advise her, make she stay at a place where she did for that side since she get her own passport. Mama.
Okay. Thank you, my lady. Kigo don't hear by now. We don't do our own part. My sister, that big anxiousness where they do you through where? Eh? More play music. Black people, most stop black money. Our black money, our belima was a low poor. The year so far where we don't see. Nala lady we jump at the road. I don't know the one we want to see again now. Person went to apply for passport, want go enter country, even if I don't get paper. For what? Because you dey hungry today. Another one where they come soon. Somebody where fear not they let them buy clothes for children. If they give people 3,000, 2,000 susu at you go they pay back. Oh, so they come collect the children. Meanwhile, this woman they borrow money out, but you know the fees spend for children. But na interest, na in the tell do market. The gym na na be new. We say, Kagbere ya esebe ya kume. Esebe ya kume. Black money. Now because we black, so that's why we like black money too. If yes, you have family to ask if person born for Spain, the children get passport. I think so. I think Spain by birth children get passport. I don't know, but I think so because a lot of people when their children get passport, they don't have. Thank you all so much. Love you all so much. Don't forget on Friday, big Italy topic coming on Friday. Tomorrow I see you all. Bye bye. Family issue we have tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye. This music is long. More use this one at the end. Why you get 3 minutes? Mama, you are beautiful. Thank you so much. Somebody said no. Are you saying Spain is not by birth? I don't know how children get it. But most children have it in Spain. Okay?
Mama jai mama oh mama deyo etio samende rane mama deyo okole mweno mwelele o oga bagasi ko mamege ko mukute
2 minutes to go. Nigeria just like the beer to eat and clean mouth. The yes we don't see. Maybe that lady see. We are about to see another one. That's where they borrow money out for Osusu. You forget to take care of your children. Thank you for coming out for us. I'm happy. I don't know. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Bye. Love you all. Bye bye. Bye.